Welcome to our AI-powered newspaper title verification engine. This platform automates the RNI verification process, ensuring accuracy and compliance in real time. As we scroll through the interface, you can see the core technology stack: phonetic analysis to catch sound-alikes, semantic matching for translated meanings, and string similarity algorithms. Let's jump into a live demonstration. We will start by testing the system against a known violation. I am entering the Indian Express. This is a famous existing publication. I've clicked Verify. While the system loads, here is what is happening in the background. The engine is tokenizing the input and running it against a vector database of registered titles. It is checking for exact matches, but it's also stripping away prefixes like "the" to see if the core title is already taken. It's analyzing phonetic codes to ensure no one registers a name that sounds like an existing brand. And there is the result: rejected. The system correctly flagged this with the reason: article prefixed variant of an existing title. It recognized that adding "the" does not make the title unique. Next, let's test the policy regarding generic terms. I'm typing "daily morning." Verifying now. The AI is currently performing a semantic analysis. It needs to determine if these words are distinct proper nouns or just common adjectives and time-of-day descriptors that shouldn't be copyrighted. Result: rejected. The reason provided is meaningless or generic-only title. The system successfully prevents the registration of common phrases. Now, let's try a completely unique, valid title. I'm entering the class of Hades. We hit Verify. Since Hades is a unique string and the combination of words doesn't semantically clash with major news outlets, the system's confidence score for a conflict should be very low. Perfect. The status is accepted. You can see the match score is 0 and the verification probability is high. This title is clear for registration. For the final test, let's look at a complex edge case involving Indian languages. I'm typing Prabhat Sandhya. This one is interesting. Prabhat means morning and Sandhya means evening. While the specific combination might be available, the words share high lexical similarity with many other registered Hindi papers. The AI is currently weighing the conflict. It isn't just a simple yes or no, it's calculating a probability threshold. When the AI is unsure, meaning the title isn't definitely banned, but is perilously close to others, it shouldn't make the final call alone. And the system works as intended. The result is manual review. It detected moderate lexical similarity. Instead of rejecting it outright, it flags it for a human officer to make the final decision. From distinct unique titles to complex edge cases, this system provides a robust, multi-layered verification solution. Developed by our team for the TechSprint Hackathon,